Welcome to Mitchell Fashion Academy. In this video, you will learn how to sew this V neckline. We are working on the front. The neck width is 3 inches for the front and the back. This ½ inch is for joining it on the shoulder. The neck depth is 9.5 inches. For instead of marking 9.5 inches, mark 9 inches. On this part, mark 1 inch like this. Square a straight line like this. Cut the neckline with your scissors. When you open it, you should have something like this. I've joined the shoulder and also attached the lining to the fabric. Next, measure around the neckline. After measuring around the neckline, I got 29 inches. This is the strip of fabric that will be attached to the neckline. The length is 32 inches. I'll cut off the excess when I'm done. The width is 5 inches. By the time I put some fold, it will be 2.5 inches. Put some fold like this, pin it. Find a midpoint. Find a midpoint on your neckline too. Pin the 2 points together, pin it round. Sew it like this. This is where the 9 inches neck depth stopped. Measure ½ inch downwards. This is where the neckline stopped. You come down by ½ inch. You do the same on the other side. Then you make a slanted slit on that 9 inches neck depth. Do the same on the other side. This is the slit. Folding the ½ inch like this. Use pin to hold it. Then take this in like this. Place the second one on top of the first one. Make sure you arrange it properly. I will take out my pin and use it to pin them together. Turn it inside out. You make sure it's well arranged so that the front will look neat. pin it again, then you sew. Sew it like this. After sewing, you cut off the excess and hem it. This is the final result. Turn the right side out and iron it. Don't forget to leave your questions in the comment section. If you found this tutorial helpful, please click the like button, subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and I hope to see you in my next one. Have a good one. Bye.